I'll show you how to install Instagram on your Android device. Whether you're new to Instagram or setting it up on a new phone, this guide will take you through every step. Let's get started. Before we install Instagram, here's what you need to know. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a stable, mobile data connection. Ensure you have enough storage on your device. Instagram requires around 100-150 megabytes for the initial installation. Instagram works on most Android versions, but it's always good to check that your Android OS is updated for the best experience. Now, let's get into the steps. Here's how to download and install Instagram directly from the Google Play Store. Locate the Play Store app on your Android home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. Tap on the search icon from the bottom. In the search bar at the top, type Instagram and hit search. Instagram should be the first result with the familiar camera logo. Once you find Instagram in the search results, tap Install. The download will start, and once it's complete, the installation will begin automatically. Once installed, you'll see an Open button. Tap it to launch Instagram. And that's it. Instagram is now installed on your Android. Now you're all set up to start exploring Instagram. And there you go. Now you know how to install Instagram on your Android device. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Instagram.